Hello, welcome to my video resume. My name is Santodya Partho and I am currently a third year student pursuing a bachelor degree in English, Language and Literature at Daffodil International University, Bangladesh. I completed my secondary school certificate SSC from Aftabuddin Model High School with GPA of 4.83 out of 5. Later, I completed my higher secondary certificate SSC from Qazi Azimuddin University College Gazipur, achieving a GPA of 5 out of 5. As an English literature student, I am passionate about language, literature, communication, and the study of human society. My academic journey has helped me develop critical thinking, analytical ability, creatively, and a deeper understanding of different cultures and perspectives. I believe that education is not only a means of acquiring knowledge but also a way of building characters, confidence, and a positive outlook on life. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a wide range of professional and interper- interpersonal skills that contribute to my personal and professional growth. These include effective communication, public speaking, presentation skill, active listening, leadership, teamwork, time management, problem solving, critical thinking, adaptability, decision making, organizational skill, and the ability to learn quickly. I am also capable of working under pressure, managing multiple tasks differently, and maintaining a positive attitude in challenging situations. In addition to this soft skill, I have developed strong digital literacy and I am proficient in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel for academic and professional tasks. I am comfortable using Google Workspace, conducting online research, preparing report and presentations, creating professional documents, and I using AI tools to improve productivity and learning. I am also familiar with email etiquette, virtual collaboration platforms, and basic computer troubleshooting. Communication is one of my strongest qualities. I can communicate effectively in both Bangla and English, which helps me interact confidently with people from different backgrounds. I enjoy expressing ideas, sharing knowledge, and learning from others. I believe strong communication skill play a vital role in both academic success and professional development. In addition to my academic studies, I always strive to improve myself by learning new skills and exploring new opportunities. I am a responsible, dedicated, self-motivated, and dedicated individual who values honesty, integrity, and continuous improvement. I enjoy collaborating with deserved teams, adapting to new environments, and taking initiative whenever needed. Believe every challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become better version of myself. My future goal is to become a teacher and contribute to society through education. I believe teaching is one of the most respected and influential professions because teachers inspire learners, shape future generations, and help build a knowledgeable and responsible society with the knowledge and skill I am gaining from the Department of English. I hope to make a meaningful contribution to the field of education and inspire students to achieving their full potential. I consider myself a lifelong learner who is always eager to grow, improve, and embrace new challenges. I am committed to continuous learning, professional excellence and personal development. Look forward to building a successful career where I am contribute my knowledge, skill, and dedication while making a positive impact on society. Thank you very much for taking the time watch my video resume, and I appreciate your consideration and look forward to the opportunity to contribute to our organization. Wonderful day.